Roll-Up Doors Express Garage Door Services, 713-398-4133. Application segments: commercial use, logistics hubs, warehouses, parking facilities, distribution centers, retail spaces. Residential use: high-traffic garages, gated communities, and homes requiring maximum security. 2. Materials and construction: heavy-gauge galvanized steel, structural strength and impact resistance. Reinforced aluminum, lightweight with corrosion resistance. Steel plus aluminum combination, balance between durability and ease of operation. Anti-corrosion coatings, designed for extreme climates and outdoor applications. 3. Technological components: brushless electric motors, silent operation, energy efficient, extended service life. Smart automation, remote control, smart home integration, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Integrated security systems.